Imagine a world where agreements are automatically enforced. No middlemen, no delays, and no trust issues. That world is possible with smart contracts on the blockchain. Today we're diving deep into how blockchain technology is changing the way deals are made. A smart contract is a self-executing contract with the terms directly written into lines of code. It lives on the blockchain and automatically carries out actions when predefined conditions are met. Think of it like a vending machine. You insert the right amount of money, press a button, and boom, you get your drink. No human needed. Smart contracts remove the need for third parties like lawyers, brokers, or banks. Smart contracts are written in programming languages like Solidity, which is used on Ethereum. Once deployed, they are immutable, meaning they can't be changed, transparent so anyone can verify them, and secure thanks to the blockchain's cryptography. Imagine two people betting on a football match. A smart contract can be coded to automatically pay the winner based on the result from an oracle, which is a trusted data source. There's no need to trust the other person, just trust the code. So, smart contracts are used in a variety of fields. In DeFi or decentralized finance, they handle lending, borrowing, and staking. When it comes to NFTs, they manage minting, royalties, and trading rules. In the insurance sector, smart contracts facilitate automatic payouts based on specific events. And in supply chain management, they verify goods at every stage. Big brands like IBM, Walmart, and even governments are experimenting with smart contracts. They're aiming to reduce fraud and increase efficiency across various operations. The benefits of smart contracts are quite compelling. First, there are no middlemen involved, which means lower costs. They also offer faster execution times and are transparent and secure. However, there are some challenges to consider. Once deployed, smart contracts can't be changed unless the contract allows it. Bugs in the code can lead to major losses, and they're only as good as the data fed into them. Smart contracts are a game changer. They represent the evolution of trust, taking us from handshake deals to code-based agreements. As blockchain adoption grows, smart contracts will become a part of everyday life, from buying a house to insuring your car. If this helped you understand smart contracts better, drop a comment, like the video, and subscribe. Up next, we'll explore decentralized finance, or DeFi, and how it's disrupting traditional banking.